Guys, ito po yung aming store. So yan. So just to show it to you, and our trainer, training the new one. She's a lady, name is Francine, and the trainer is Mr. Kevin. Yan, waiting yung driver niya sa niya soccer. Yan. So, yan ang aming store. Ito ang aming office. Yup. See? Diba? Medyo maganda rin ang aming store kasama office. Yan. Ayan, ito naman po yung pabalik namin mga tao. Ayan, yung whiteboard namin na yan. Ayan. Yan yung dalawa na lang yung paalis. And ito naman, there are calling people. Other calling people, see. Yan po yung date. Yes. This is the record for the Mondays daily monitoring. Yeah, only for here in Sharma. This is our memo board. Yeah. So ayan po yung ating mga stop dito. Hey, hello Adil. It's our driver here. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.